Assalamu alaikum aspirants. This lecture covers important English MCQs on synonyms, antonyms, idioms and preposition. These questions are directly relevant for CSS, PMS, PPSC and other competitive exams. So English makes a large portion of these exams. So practicing these MCQs will sharpen your vocabulary, grammar and comprehension. So focus on every question carefully because each one is designed to test the exact skills examiners look for. सो लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं. सिनोनिम ऑफ कंप्लेसेंट इज डैश हम्बल, अग्रेसिव, सेल्फ सेटिस्फाइड और इनडिफरेंट. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, सेल्फ सेटिस्फाइड. कंप्लेसेंट रेफर्स टू अ फीलिंग ऑफ स्मग और अनक्रिटिकल सेटिस्फिकेशन विद वन सेल्फ और वंस अचीवमेंट्स. And self-satisfied captures this essence perfectly as a synonym, and this word often implies a lack of awareness of potential issues. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. सिनोनिम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंड फुली इज. अंडरस्टैंड फुली का सिनोनिम क्या है? इग्नोर, मिस इंटरप्रेट, कंफ्यूज या कम्प्रीहेंड. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी, कम्प्रीहेंड. टू कम्प्रीहेंड मीन्स टू ग्रेस्प द मीनिंग और नेचर ऑफ समथिंग कम्प्लीटली, एंड इट डायरेक्टली सिनोनिम्स अंडरस्टैंड फुली in context requiring deep insight, and this term is commonly used in academic and everyday language. The next question देखते हैं. Synonym of pass the document as in circulate is circulate, approve, reject or sign. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो ऑप्शन ए है, सर्कुलेट. टू सर्कुलेट अ डॉक्यूमेंट मीन्स टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट or pass it among a group for review or information. And this synonym fits the context of sharing or moving something around, and it is often used in professional or administrative setting. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं. एंटोनिम ऑफ इनॉर्मस. इनॉर्मस का क्या जो इनॉर्मस है इसका अपोजिट बताना है. ह्यूज, लार्ज, टाइनी और वास्ट. तो इसका सही जो जवाब है वो ऑप्शन सी है, टाइनी. इनॉर्मस डिस्क्राइब्स समथिंग वेरी लार्ज इन साइज और एक्सटेंट, and tiny as its antonym refers to something extremely small. So this opposition is straightforward in descriptive language. The next question है कि एंटोनिम ऑफ कमीशनड इज. कमीशन का एंटोनिम क्या है? इसका अपोजिट वर्ड क्या है? स्टार्टेड, असाइन, ऑर्डर और टर्मिनेटेड. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी, टर्मिनेटेड. कमीशन मीन्स ऑफिशियली अपॉइंटेड और पुट इनटू सर्विस, and terminated serve as an antonym by meaning ended or discontinued. So this contrast is common in employment or project context. The next question है कि एंटोनिम ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल. तो आर्टिफिशियल का अपोजिट वर्ड बताना है, फेक, नेचुरल, फॉल्स या प्लास्टिक. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, नेचुरल. Artificial refers to something made by humans, not occurring naturally, and natural is its direct antonym, meaning existing in or derived from nature. So this pair is frequently used in discussions of materials or behaviors. Then next question है एंटोनिम ऑफ एक्सीडस इज. तो एक्सीडस का अपोजिट वर्ड बताना है हमने. इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, इनफ्लक्स. एक्सीडस मीन्स अ mass departure of people, and influx as antonym describes a mass arrival or inflow. So this opposition highlights movement directions in populations. Then next question है एंटोनिम ऑफ relinquish. तो relinquish का अपोजिट वर्ड हमने यहाँ पर बताना है, abandon. तो इसका सही जवाब जो है वो ऑप्शन सी होगा, possesses. Possess. Relinquish means to voluntarily give up or release something, and possess act as an antonym by meaning to own or hold. So this contrast is key in legal or personal ownership context. The next question है, he gave a prescription by cough, for, with, on or by. तो यहाँ पर जो ऑप्शन है ए यानी फार आएगा, ठीक है. he gave a prescription for my cough. The preposition for is used here to indicate the purpose or remedy a condition like a cough, and it connects the prescription to its intended use. So this is standard in medical English. The next question है, he gave a talk dash the causes of dengue fever, about, for, on or with. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, about. About is the correct preposition to introduce the topic of the talk, and it specifies the subject matter being discussed. So this usage is common in lectures or presentation. Next question है, you can see the doctor dash 8 am and 12 noon, between, on, in or at. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, between. Between indicates a range of time from 8 am to 12 noon, and it denotes the period within which the action can occur. So this is a typical preposition for time intervals. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, माई वॉच इज डैश द टेबल ऑन इन 8 आवर। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, ऑन। ऑन इज यूज फॉर सरफेस लाइक अ टेबल वेयर समथिंग रेस्ट एंड इट शोज द पोजिशन ऑफ द वॉच इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द सरफेस। सो दिस प्रिपोजिशन इज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर लोकेशंस ऑन फ्लैट एरियाज। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द किचन इज डैश द बैक ऑफ द हाउस एट, इन, ऑन और बिहाइंड। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, एट। एट specifies the general location like the back of the house, and it points to be particular point or area. So this usage is common in describing building layouts. Next question, what does to make clean breast of mean? To gain advantage, to brace on self, to confess without reserve or to boast. तो इसका सही जवाब है to confess without reserve, ठीक है, ऑप्शन सी। To make a clean breast of is an idiom meaning to fully admit one's mistake or secret, and it implies completely honesty without holding back. This expression originates from relieving one's conscience. So next question देखते हैं, what does to keep one's temper mean? To lose patience, to be in good mood, to become angry, or to remain silent. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, टू बी इन गुड मूड। To keep one's temper means to remain calm and avoid anger, which aligns with staying in a good mood. So it involves self-control in provoking situations, and this idiom promotes emotional stability. Next question देखते हैं, what does to catch a ta mean? To trap a thief, to catch a dangerous animal, to meet with a disaster, or to deal with a person who is more than one's match. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी, टू डील विद अ पर्सन हु इज मोर देन वंस मैच। सो टू कैच अ टाटर refers to encountering someone unexpectedly difficult or superior in a confrontation, and it suggests underestimating an opponent. So this idiom warns against overconfidence. Next question है, what does to drive home mean? To return home, to deliver safely, to punish inside, or to emphasize. तो इसका सही जवाब है to emphasize, option D. To drive home means to strongly emphasize a point to ensure understanding. So it makes an idea clear and memorable. So this expression is used in arguments or teachings. Next question discuss करते हैं, what does to have an axe to grind mean? To have an axe to grind mean, इसका क्या मतलब है? A private end to serve, to have a tool ready, to work hard, or to make excuses. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, a private end to serve. To have an axe to grind implies having a personal or selfish motive behind an action. So it suggests hidden agendas. This idiom originates from sharpening tools, metaphorically for gain. The next question, antonym of implicit. इम्प्लिसिट का हमने अपोजिट वर्ड बताना है, तो इसका अपोजिट वर्ड है ऑप्शन सी, स्पेसिफिक। इम्प्लिसिट मीन्स सजेस्टेड बट नॉट डायरेक्टली एक्सप्रेस्ड, while specific means clearly defined. So as antonyms they contrast vagueness with precision, and this pair appears in language nuance discussions. Then next question, antonym of predecessor is dash, ancestor, successor, forefather or senior. तो इसका जवाब जो है वो ऑप्शन बी में है, successor. So predecessor refers to someone or something that came before, and successor is the antonym meaning the one that follows. So this opposition is common in sequences or roles. So revise these MCQs multiple times to strengthen your command of English. If any question or concept is unclear, share it in the comments. Your feedback will help us prepare more targeted lectures, and keep practicing daily, and you will see steady progress in your exam preparation.